So here is the before of my model, and here's me now getting started on the haircut. So the first thing I did is I divided the back with the center part straight down the middle, divided it from the left side to the right side. Then I took A-line sections to create my very first guide, my very first section, where I'm establishing the length that's going to be my guide for the rest of the haircut. So you can see the A-line section that is sectioned off with the clip, and I am now cutting in that very first section, which again is my guide for the rest of the haircut. Now that I have cut the very first section, I have my guide for the rest of the haircut. So I am going to work my way through the rest of the haircut, just taking A-line sections, working my way up the head on both the right side and the left side, using that very first section as I cut as my guide for the rest of the haircut. So now that I've completed the outline on the left side, I'm just going to continue to do the exact same thing on the right side. I've got the outline completed on both the left side and the right side, I have blow dried the hair, and I'm going to go through and just sharpen up the outline. The goal is to make this bob have as much of a precision line as possible. And so whenever you cut a bob, typically after you blow dry it, there's going to be hair that's inconsistent because of the way hair dries. From wet to dry, hair changes. Texture changes from wet to dry. So you want to go through and just cross-check the outline just to confirm that the outline is perfectly straight and there's no undergraduation hanging out or no inconsistencies of the hair due to the texture change from wet to dry. We've come to the end of one of the most classic haircuts there is out there, which is the classic bob. I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And once again, as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.